Hello everyone. So Kubernetes services are an abstraction on top of pods. Because pods are ephemeral, which basically means they could be terminated or recreated at any given moment. For example, if we are scaling up the number of pods, or if we are scaling down the number of pods, we are terminating, deleting, and recreating pods. And then sometimes if the whole node fails, the pods within that node fails, and we have to create those pods in another available node. And also when we are updating our pods to a newer version of our source code, we need to create new pods. Because of that, pods get assigned a dynamic IP address. So if you want to communicate with these pods and we don't want to chase the ever-changing IP address of these pods, we came up with the concept of a service, which instead of communicating with a pod, you communicate with a service which could contain one or multiple pods. The service on the other side get assigned a stable IP address, normally called a cluster IP address, that is used to reach that service within the Kubernetes cluster. And then it's also assigned a name. Both the cluster IP address and the service name get saved into or stored into the Kubernetes DNS, which could also help us later on with service discovery. And if we want to communicate with the service from outside the cluster, we use what is called a node port, where we assign a specific port number to our service. And we use what is called a load balancer to allow external IP address, or external traffic I should say, to reach our service within the pod. Thank you everyone, and see you soon.